Sunday market review is here. Let me welcome everyone to this YouTube channel, Leading Forex. My name is Kofi. Every Sunday, we come your way with signals, forecast that you can trade, that we believe when the market opens, you'll be able to make money out of those signals. Yes, so we give that to you whilst the market is still closed, so that once it opens, you can take that opportunity to make some profits in the forex market. We have some rules, and if you are new to those rules, as we progress, we will lay them bare before you so that you know how to trade the signals and be able to profit from them. Okay, now before we go into this week's signal, we want to check and find out whether last week's signals gave us the profit or not. So quickly, let's go into last week's signals. Last week, I gave about 5 signals. 4 were the signals, and including one bonus signal, which was GBP, JPY, I think. Yes. So let's look at it and see how it turned out, whether we made profit or lost. Is that okay? So first of all, we had our first trade, and our first trade was on, let me bring the chart. Okay, so this is the MT4 chart. So we gave our first signal, which was Euro JPY. Euro JPY, and we said Euro JPY was going to go by, isn't it? So let's see whether we won or we lost. So if I go to the daily time frame will help us to really see where the market began and then where it ended. Is that okay? So let me zoom. This is the weekly candle, okay? So it means the market began somewhere here. This is where the market began, here, as you can see. So if I go on the daily time frame, sorry, this is daily time frame rather. Okay, this is weekly time frame. All right, now I get it. This is weekly time frame. So if you look at the weekly time frame, you see that the market went bullish throughout and then started retracing back. So Euro JPY on the weekly time frame, the market began from this red line. So if I go on the daily, if you count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. So this is where the market began. It began from here. Okay, this is where the market began for the week. So what happens, or what happened? Let's see. The market opened, and then on Monday, it only made about 15 pips against us. And even that very Monday alone, we got our TP hit and even above. On Monday alone, this trade, Euro JPY, went over 230 pips. 230 pips, straight up. No curve, no bend. And then it continued on the Tuesday and made 280 pips. And then on Wednesday, it retraced. Thursday, went back again up. And then on Friday, it made its way all up to about 400 pips before it retraced. And then almost came back to entry and retraced back in here. So just on Monday, we got our TP on this trade. Only on Monday, our TP got hit. So this was a win. Euro JPY buy was a win. Now let's look at our next trade, which was USD JPY. This is USD JPY, and this is also daily time frame. So if I go to the weekly time frame, you can see it. So it means that this is the weekly. It means the market opened here. Yes. So let's switch to the daily and see. So this is where the market opened. The market opened here. Okay. It's open here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you count 5 back, this is here. It's open here, right? Good. So let's see. So when the market opened on the Monday, it made bullish because we are buying. On Tuesday, extra bullish, but retraced a bit back to 30 against us to about 39 pips. Went and closed back bullish. On the third day, which was Wednesday, 140 pips. So our TP of 100 pips is hit. And then on Thursday, it continued and made its way up to 178 pips. And then on Friday, it continued its way up to about 346 pips before a big retracement happened. Yes, a big retracement. This was a big retracement. Wow. So yes, we got our TP before that retracement came. Is that not it? Yes. So this was also a win, right? The next trade I gave was NZD-JPY. NZD-JPY is here. And that one too, let me go on the weekly. This is weekly time frame. And NZD-JPY was also a buy. I gave a buy on NZD-JPY. And the weekly candle tells you it was a win. So we entered a buy here. It only came against us about 23 pips. And then for the whole week, it went by to 383 pips. 383 pips in profit. So this was also a big win, a win. And then our last trade before the bonus was AUD-USD. I think that trade is what we lost. I think, where is it? We lost that trade, I'm sure. Yes. This is AUD-USD. I requested that we should sell AUD-USD, but AUD-USD went buy. So this was a loss. We lost this one because it went against us a total of, for the week, 190 pips. So our stop loss of 100 pips got hit. All right. So the 4 trades that I gave, 3 gave us TP, 1 gave us a loss. 3 gave us a TP, 1 gave us a loss. So in total, you have about 200 pips in the bag for you. But I also gave a bonus trade, which was GBP-JPY. I don't know how many of you took it, which was also a buy. And this is weekly candle. And that should tell you that the buyers won. If I go on daily and we count 5 candles back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means the market opened here. It opened here. This is where the market opened. And when it opened there, it made its way all up. On that Monday alone, I think we got our TP. On Monday alone, this trade made 321 pips. GBP-JPY on Monday alone. So on Monday alone, we got our TP hits. So this was the bonus trade I gave. Although there was a retracement that came back, but it was a straight win. A straight win. Okay. So since that one was a bonus one, I wouldn't add it to our tally. All right. So only 1 loss, 4 wins, or you can call it 3 wins, 1 loss. So this week, what do we have? Now, before we come back to the chart to do the analysis, we have a tool that we analyze. So I'm taking you straight to that tool for us to look at what the tool is saying. So if you want more detail on that tool, I think I have a video that talks about this tool. That is the part 51 video. So if you watch the part 51 video on this channel, which is the Forex tutorial playlist, if you want the playlist at the tail end of this video, at the tail or at the end of this video, let me put it that way, at the end or the tail of this video, you will get the link to the whole playlist. Or when you go to the description of this video, you see Forex trading or for beginners playlist. You see Forex trading for beginners playlist. Click on that playlist, the link, it will take you straight to the whole playlist. Then you look for part 51 video, and that will be talking about, or that will give you details about this platform. All right. So let's analyze this platform and see what we have. Just as we do, we'll go on the monthly time frame. And then which one do we go for? Let's look at the weaker one first. So we have the weaker one. We have JPY. Let me cap it. JPY and CAD. JPY and CAD. This is on the monthly. So let's go on the weekly. We're on the weekly now. And on the weekly, we have JPY and Chef. JPY and Chef. This is also on the weekly. And then we go on the daily. On the daily, we have USD and GBP. Okay. These are the weaker ones. Okay. Let's go to the other side, which is the stronger side. Let's look at the stronger ones. Back to the monthly. The stronger ones. What do we have? For the stronger ones, we have USD and Euro. For the stronger side, we have USD and Euro. And then for the weekly side, the stronger ones, we have NZD and GBP. For the stronger side, we have NZD and GBP. Okay. And then the last one, which is going to be on daily. And on daily, we have the stronger ones, we have JPY and AUD. Wow. Okay. So this is what we have for the week. Now, we are looking for one currency that runs through these 3 time frames. JPY is here, JPY is here, but JPY is not here. CAD is here, CAD is not here. Chef is here, Chef is not even on the first one and the last one. USD is here, but not in any of the two. GBP is also here, not in any of the two. So on the weaker side, we have none. On the stronger side, we have USD here. We don't have USD here. Here, no USD. And then over here to no USD. So USD is out. Euro, we have Euro here. We don't have Euro here. We don't have Euro here. So Euro is also out. NZD is here, but not on the first one and not on the last one. And then AUD is also here, but not on the second one and then the first one. JPY is also here, but not on the second and then the first one here. So it means when it comes to the stronger side, we don't have any. And when it comes to the weaker side too, we don't have any. So this tool is saying that we have none. None for this week. So it means no signal. That is what this tool is saying. That no signal. Now, there are a few times I disobeyed this tool and gave signals and we lost those signals. So I want to stick to this rule this time around and say that when it comes to this tool, there is no signal for this week. But if you need a signal, I have provided a COT report. I don't know if you have watched that video. The video before this one, okay, is a COT report, analysis and video, a tutorial video. If you can watch that video, at the end of that video, I gave out some signals based on the COT report, okay? I gave some signals based on the COT report. So go to the part, I think 68 video, which talks about COT report. If you go to the playlist, the last video before this one, or the second video after this one, the coming down, part 68, which is on COT report. If you watch that video, the tail end of, or the tail of that video, or the end of that video, you will find some signals I gave as a result of the COT report analysis. And that the COT report analysis is a different strategy compared to this one. So this is also a strategy on its own. So we are sticking to this rule and say that with this strategy here, there's no signal. But if you go to the COT report and watch that video, there are signals that the COT report was giving us. So maybe you can put them on, try them, and let's see how this week will go. Is that okay? That is that. Let's respect the rules. And once the rules are respected, we will be able to save ourselves a lot of losses. Is that okay? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the course of the week. We have a Telegram channel where you can join and also receive our signals. And I'm hoping in no time, I'm going to start providing other services for free. This COT report thing, I'm looking at bringing it weekly, along with this other analysis here, so that we can have the two running on this channel. There are so many other things I'm considering. This channel must grow, so subscribe and let's hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. I'll see you in the course of the week. Thank you.